I'm going to show you how to moonwalk. What you will need are some smooth shoes or socks, clothes that you can move around in, and a smooth surface. Now what you do is you start with both feet equally aligned. And you bring this knee up and you push the opposite foot. And you switch, you do the same. Push, do that, push back, that. So let's see what a highlighter will look like. Let's see that again. If you practice enough, you can moonwalk forward. And that's how you moonwalk.